She asked me, hey, would love for you to review my hair in a YouTube video. 2 years and 9 months. Twist and rip and the neglect. Now, cha. These locks are freaking fantastic. Let me tell you how I can't keep my emotions out of this video, but I'm going to do my best because these locks are fantastic. Twist and rip, neglect method. You can see how they've kind of shrunken, clumped up, frizzy hair. There's no parting happening. Like, these are free-form locks. They have been left to form freely. Now, what do we notice about this beautiful individual? Well, numerous voluminous locks, a lot of them with the wispy tips down here as well, and my gosh, frizzy hair has never looked so beautiful. Now here's where my emotions cannot hide anymore, because I think this girl is so beautiful, and I'm gonna do my best to continue with this video. I love to see how her hair is like loose and flowing at the front. Now with this look alone, having her hair in this situation is enough to kind of deter the fact that she has locks. To the, let's say, to the first glimpse a stranger looks at her, they might see this loose hair and not think anything that she even has locks, because her locks may be tied up, tied back, put in a hat, who knows. But it is a very cool, discreet mechanism in terms of hiding the locks when one needs to. But as I said before, her locks are so gorgeous. Why would anybody want to hide these from anybody for any reason? I don't know. Overall, these locks are probably about a 9 out of 10. It looks like there is some darker hair in the tips of these. I don't know whether that's dye or some extensions crocheted in. I'm not too sure. Looks like the root of her hair is actually of a darker color. My guess is that it just may be mixed in with bleach. Either way, it's like a dirty blonde, and it's a great color scheme for these locks. So I feel like they've come a long way. They're almost at 3 years at this point, and I mean 3 years is still pretty early in the game, because consider these getting to 9 years, 10 years, they're gonna be really lengthy and have a plethora of stories to tell. Her locks looking fantastic. Not really much beads or any sort of wrapping going on in there, just straight volume, right? So, and it's cool to see that she still has these bangs at the front, and we see a lot of maturing going on in her locks in the sides there. So let's take this as a hint of motivation for the women out there to continue their free form journeys if you are on one. Let's use this as some lockspiration for us all. And here's a picture of her past with the original brown color coming through, and we see some baby locks happening in the back. Maybe this is during the beginning stages of her process. Yeah, NYC. Big up to the lock queen.